Beshi! Welcome back with another vlog. So for today's video, pakita ko po sa inyo yung itsura ng gym dito sa Japan and kung gaano ka-safe ang gym dito sa Japan. So, ituturo ko kayo dito sa bagong bukas na gym dito sa may Otaguma, which is the Fit Easy Gym. So, tara, samahan niyo po ako. Sa pagpasok niyo po guys, meron agad dito alcohol. So, dito guys, meron silang sanitizer and tissue. So, after nyo po gamitin yung mga equipments, kukuha kayo ng tissue and pupunasan nyo po yung mga equipments na ginamit nyo and dito nyo siya itatapon.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope.
Waist here. So yun yung liguan. Another blower. So yan. Hi! Meron mga shower. So, pwede kayo dito mag-shower. Sa gym, after nyo po mag-gym. Napakalinis. So, yan. Ang daming salamin, sobra. Ang ganda. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang linis. So, meron silang seat cleaner. Yan. Sobrang linis po ng toilet talaga dito sa Japan. Look at this. Ang sanitizer. Sobrang linis. So guys, dito naman yung tanning area sa mga gustong magpatan, magpaitim. Kasi dito sa Japan, hindi uso ang maputi. Gusto nila maitim since na maputi sila. So ito yan, napaitim ka. Papasok ka lang dito. Dito yung tanning area, papasok ka lang dito. And yun. Itim ka na po. So guys, may bayad. Ito yung 5 minutes. Kuya ko yan, 500 yan. So ayan, 5 minutes, 1,000, 15 minutes, 1,500. Ang mask, hindi ka pwede dito mag-gym kung wala kang mask. So let's go, cardio, and the treadmill. Just press the English and choose your workout. So let's quick start. Yan. Let's work out. Dito sa Japan guys, ito, pwede kang mag-select, pwede kang mag-YouTube, pwede kang mag-Netflix, TV, pwede kang mag-browse. So, ayan po yung screen mo. And, ayan. Ganda guys. Stick. So, meron pang nakaharang, bawat isa. Anti-COVID talaga siya. Ayan. Ganda. So guys, try natin mag-Netflix. So yan. Look on Netflix. So pwede ka manood while nagsa-treadmill. So ito yung setting ko ngayon. Naka-incline siya ng 8. And yung bilis niya 2.0. Medyo mabagal yung internet. Ito mag-YouTube. So, ayan. Coach Greg. Let's try. Here! Coach Greg. So yun, kung gusto nyo manood ng vlog dito, ito yung pinapanood namin si Coach Greg. For fitness. Magaling siya. So yan, pwede kayong manood. Pwede kayong mag-headset if you want. Charge if you want. Yeah. Guys, tayo magka-cardio with Makoto Ukuda sa kabila. Then, we're going some shed meal. Pampawala ng taba kasi nag-McDo kami kahapon. McDo pa more and pizza pa more. Then guys, dito yung mga treadmill. Merong mga harang para anti-COVID precaution. So, parang hindi magkakadikit yung mga tao pag nagka-treadmill. Mga spacing and harang. Guys, bang shoulder. Ito siya. Bawat machine may nakalagay kung para saan. guys, kung gusto nyo magkaroon ng abs, gamitin ito para sa abs. Mga machine, pagkatapos nyo po gamitin, kailangan nyo lagyan ng alcohol. Pinaka-latest na cardio. Ay, hindi lang dito sa Japan. Actually, all over the world. Ito yung pinaka-latest na cardio ngayon, which is the virtual retreat. So, using this bike, parang bicycle siya. Medyo madilim kasi dito guys kasi talaga dito may malaking screen. So, sa screen na yan, susundan nyo kung ano yung instruction na nakalagay dyan. As in, sobrang fun and yung mga ilaw, pasensya na, medyo madilim. May mga pa-ilaw dito at actually, nagpapaypay yung mga ilaw dito pag may nag-play na dyan sa screen. So, ayan. Sobrang masaya to ng box. Then guys, kung gusto nyo pong mag-gym dito sa Japan. So, dito sa Fit PC guys, yung price pala nila dito is 6,980 per month po yun. Yun po, mag-register po kayo dito. Mismo kung gusto nyo pumunta. Actually, iba-iba yung mga prices bawat gym dito. Pero yun po yung mga basic na prices dito sa Japan. Sa gym dito sa Japan. So guys, dito ko na po i-close ang aking vlog. Yun, stay safe tayo always and always. Wear mask and alcohol po and wash your hands always. So dito na lang po. Thank you sa lahat and please subscribe to my channel for more videos about dito sa Japan. So see you again next time.